everyone, welcome to the iCloud Go. In this video today, we're going to discuss how to remove the activation lock on your iPhone for free. If you forget your Apple ID and password, it will cause your iPhone to get stuck on this page. Normally, you may encounter this problem when you buy a used iPhone. If you're facing this issue, here are some methods you can try. Important notice: bypassing activation. Lock on a device you don't own without permission is illegal. Method 1. Contact the original owner. If you are facing this problem because you bought a used iPhone, you can try to contact the previous owner to unlock it. Reach out to them and ask them to remove the device from their account by following these steps. Go to iCloud.com, find and log in with their Apple ID. Select the locked iPhone from the list of devices. Select Remove this device and complete the subsequent steps. This removes the activation lock from your iPhone. Tap back and then continue to complete the iPhone setup. Your iPhone is now ready to use. If you've forgotten your Apple ID and password, you'll need to try the next method. Method 2. Using DNS to restore access. This is the free method for restoring some of the functions of your iPhone. On the Wi-Fi selection page, press and hold the side button to bring up more settings. Select Wireless LAN settings. An exclamation point icon will then appear next to the Wi-Fi option. Tap it and scroll down to find the Configure DNS option. Then select Manual and change the DNS server links according to your region. Tap Save and back when you have finished entering. Now you need to tap Next and then go back and tap Connected Wi-Fi. After waiting a few moments, this will open the iDNS portal. You will then be able to use the various features of your iPhone through this page. Method 3. Remove activation lock with 4U-Key. Use the link in the video description to download 4U-Key and install it on your PC. Connect your iPhone to your PC and launch 4U-Key. Here, select Remove iCloud Activation Lock and click Get Started. Your iPhone will enter recovery mode automatically. You'll then need to follow the instructions to put your iPhone in DFU mode to begin the jailbreak. After clicking Start, press and hold the volume down and side buttons at the same time. After 5 seconds, release the side button but keep holding volume down. Wait another 10 seconds and your iPhone will enter DFU mode and begin jailbreaking. After the jailbreak is complete, your device will enter recovery mode again. Then you need to operate your device into DFU mode again. 4U-Key will now remove your iPhone activation lock. Just wait for the process to complete. When done, your device will restart and you can go through the setup process again. This time, you won't see the activation lock screen. Well, these are the 3 ways to remove iPhone activation lock. Each method has its own usage scenario, whether you are using an official solution or a third-party tool. I hope this video will help you if you are experiencing this issue. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more tech tips. See you next time.